Hello students, again hi. Our topic, okay. Yesterday we discussed about squares and square roots, general discussion. Now today, numbers between square numbers. Very interesting topic I am telling you. You see once and then you will decide that is it interesting or not. So once you see here, what is the meaning of the numbers between the square numbers? Suppose 1 and 2, how many numbers are there in between? Not perfect, the numbers which are not perfect, 2 3, it means two numbers are there. Okay, in between these two numbers, you see it's very interesting. I'm telling you students, two number here in between. How many numbers are there? After 4 5 6 7 8, four numbers in between, six numbers, no doubt, in between eight numbers. You calculate, you will see in this way, in this 10, 12, 14, without calculating I'm telling you. So see, is it in 2 4 6, which table it is? 2 table. You see, it's a very interesting topic. And how to make formula, derivation of the formula also I'm telling you. See, square of 1 and square of 2, how many numbers are there? 2. 2 we can write 2 into 1. Square of 2 and square of 3, 4 and 9. In between 4 and 9, four numbers are there which are not perfect. Okay, not perfect square number. 4 numbers are there. 2 into 2 we can write. These 2 4 6 are the numbers. How many numbers are there in between? It means not that 4 number is there in between. No, 4 numbers are there in between, like 5 6 7 8. These 4 numbers. Now square of 3 and square of 4, 9 and 16. In between 6 numbers are there, we can write 2 into 3. Again one more I am writing. Square of 4 is equal to 16 and square of 5 is equal to 25. In between how many numbers are there? 8. We can write 2 into 4. So see, in multiple of 2 we can write, and the first, this second number 1 2 3 4, which is this 1 2 3 4, you know, one relation we can make in between them. Like suppose this number is n, square of n, and this next, just next, n plus 1. So what will be the, how many numbers are there in between? Directly, no doubt, 2 and 4 is coming, then 4 is coming here. What is coming here? N, 2n. This is the formula. Suppose we need to calculate the numbers in between two consecutive square numbers, like example I am giving you. Okay, you note down this formula. Not perfect square numbers in between two square numbers, but those consecutive perfect square numbers. So example is this. You see, square of 12 and square of 13. Can you tell me how many numbers are there in between? Okay, no need to calculate the square of 12 and no need to calculate the square of 13. Without calculation, without opening the square, you just tell me the how many numbers are there in between which are not perfect square. So just now I said 2 into, what number is first? 12. You write down 12. See, 24 numbers are there in between these two numbers, okay, which are not perfect square. Now you can calculate, it's your choice, but directly you can write, you can use this formula. Very useful formula it is, and very interesting also. Like 21, how many numbers are there? One another example, 21 square and 22 square. So directly 2 into, which number is first? 21. 21 you write. 42 numbers are there in between square of 21 and square of 22 which are not perfect. Note down and solve few more questions on this. One more interesting topic, sum of consecutive odd numbers. By the name I think you are not getting. See, odd numbers, all of you know, 1 3 5 7 9. These are, I am talking about the first odd numbers. I am writing 1. So 1 plus another odd number 3. What it is coming? 4. You guys catch the interesting part. I am telling you. 4 means square of 2. Square of 2. And how many numbers are there? 1 and 2. Okay. Again 1 plus 3 plus 5. What is coming? 9. Which is square of 3. Again, how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3. First 3 odd number. This is the sum of first 3 odd number. Again, I am writing 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7. What will the sum? 9 and 16. This is square of 4. Again, note down the logic. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 numbers are there and it's the square of 4. Now, have you observed one main thing? How many? We are talking about the sum of first odd numbers. Sum of first 2 odd numbers, then square of 2. Sum of first 3 odd numbers. Sum of first 3 odd numbers, square of 3. Sum of first 4 odd numbers, square of 4. Sum of first 5 odd numbers, then square of 5. Square of 5. 1, 3 plus 5 plus, you can write now, then it will be 36. Square of 6. It means if question will ask directly, it's a logical thing also and trick also. You can keep in your mind. Suppose if anyone is asking what is the example I'm giving you, okay, we will not write up to the 10 and up to the 100. So direct trick we got. Suppose question is asking what is the sum of first 8 odd numbers. What is the question is what is the sum of first 8 odd numbers? So first 8 odd numbers, direct square of 8, 64. Okay, again, what is the sum of first 10 odd numbers? First is mandatory. You know, I'm not saying that what is the sum of 10 odd numbers. It can be any, but I'm saying first 10 odd numbers. First 10 we are taking in positive, natural. So sum of first 10 odd numbers is 100. Directly you check, you write continuously 10 odd numbers and then sum, you will get 100 only. And write 8 odd numbers continuously and add them, you will get 64. So like this question also can come. Now product of two consecutive even or odd natural numbers. Consecutive, like even 20 into 22 means 22 and 4. Consecutive odd natural number, like I'm writing 6 and 10. These are natural number but not consecutive. Consecutive means they should come continuous, like after 6 which odd number will come? 8. So these are natural also, consecutive also, even also, sorry, even number. And for odd, 5 and 7. So we will discuss about the product. Okay, one identity I'm telling you, don't go in another way. Directly keep this identity. When a plus b and a minus b is coming, two numbers same, a plus b bracket multiply by a minus b, coming then a square minus b square, a square minus b square you write. This 20 and 21 you can write. Suppose these two numbers are consecutive even number, consecutive natural even number. So this you write 1 greater 21 minus 1. We can write 20, 21 minus 1, 20 will come. And this 22, 21 plus. It means we have to make the first part equal and the second part equal. Sign can come different. Now it is just like this. A plus b, a plus b, a minus b, a minus b. So a square, 21 square minus 1 square. It's 441 minus 1 is equal to 440. Means like this you can reduce your calculation timing. Means you can do calculation fast. So this is the trick. Now another example for odd numbers. Like example is 17 into 19. Same way we will write this 17 we can write 18 minus 1 and this 19 we can write 18 plus 1. Now a minus b and a plus b. Again a minus b and a plus b. A minus b can come at first and a plus b also can come first. Is not a big deal. 18 minus 1 and 18 plus 1. So square of 18 minus 1. 324 minus 1, 323. See, like this you can reduce your calculation, and already I told you up to 20 squares you keep in your mind. Okay, directly. Note down this, another topic you note down, and two examples.